Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy. I have gotten a request on how to work on the seat. Now this seat on the 8000 Ford tractor, I believe that it has nuts welded to the bottom of that panel. They're hex bolt. That's what I have on this one. Now the panel, or the plate, has panhead screws that go in there. I got them from MSC Industrial Supply. They have different sizes. Mine are galvanized. The sheet metal I got galvanized as well. Originally, there are aluminum. I did have to make a few of the clips myself, bending the sheet metal over and tack welding the nut on the back side of it, but it worked. It's really good. I put a washer on the back side of the screw. That way when the screw goes, tightening it up, it doesn't peel the paint. It just cinches straight down. Now, if you're having trouble getting them panhead screws up or bolts, I had tack welded another nut to it to get it off, or you got to drill a hole all the way through it and use an easy out to tap it out. But the seat, I ended up using hex bolts and tightening it down. I had to take the fenders off when I first got the tractor, and I took the tank off to clean it. This one here is the cloth seat, and the other one is the vinyl seat, and it has a different spring in it, but the spring was no longer available. So when I got done putting the tractor together, I had some parts left over, right? I had the spring for the clutch hub PTO, and I had the spring for the clutch, or for the dual power. So what I did is I put the smaller spring on top and the larger spring on bottom. I tack welded them together, and I put them underneath this seat. And also, this one, the cloth seat, has the armrest, and it has a groove in here that holds it when you fold it down. This is the old seat. So what I've got to do is I've got to get this plate out of there, and then there is a, right there you see at the top, roll pin in there. And somehow I gotta get that roll pin out of there in order to get that bar out of there, because that's what I need to attach it to that seat. You attach it to that seat, and then you've got the arm, and you got to unzipper this, and you can get in there with that roll pin and knock it down in there, and then it'll stay in place so it goes back and forth. There's just a few things I haven't finished yet on the tractor, but I have been baling hay with it. Come see the rest of my videos. I want to show you working on the baler and baling hay.